Alright, what's up guys? It's kind of bored, so I want to make a video on how to take apart your Xbox so you can hot swap. Not a big deal. You might hear some stuff in the background. My friend's playing Mod Zombies, and I feel like listening to music. There's going to be some main tools you're going to need. So I have right here. Okay. Alright, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Something like, you'll see what this is for, but something like really thin but strong. That's what she said. Pliers come in handy, and like a hex, I don't know how to say this, but it's like kind of different kind of screw thing. Alright, so set your tools in an organized place. First thing obviously that you're going to need to do is take out your hard drive. If I can. There we go. Set that aside. So like this. Next thing, oops, I'll do this. Should you see it?
Hey guys, just send me a message so I can take the game, or just like send me a message or send me a friend request so you can always like.
Alright, now you're gonna take the faceplate off. Put your finger in here and push up and pull. Just come off.
Not to be mean.
Put that aside. And now it's kind of a little complicated. Oh. Can I see your knife, please? Or just a knife? The one that's, it doesn't matter. Yeah. Knife also comes in handy.
What?
Because there's these.
This one?
1, 2, 3, or oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's these little things you gotta get loose.
Yeah,
or actually, hang on. My bad. Before you do that, you have to take these off. So what you're gonna do? I'm trying to go down so you see it. You're gonna.
I'm going to game chat. You can come too.
Pull on this. Oh. So now this is where this thin part right here. Underneath. Thin part comes in. You're gonna find these little bar-like things. This way it needs to be small enough. And you're gonna pop them. You're gonna hear a little click. You're gonna kind of find them. Pop. Pop.
Don't act like there's gonna be mod, okay? Just like,
Crap.
don't be like, mod.
Alright, now you can go to the other side. And start clicking on the other side.
Because I don't know why, but my first host hasn't been working.
And pop that off. Set it aside. Turn it over. Start popping. What? Okay. Still showing it. Right, yeah, they know, we'll see. I don't know if the thing's something. Alright, there we go. Pop. Okay, I suddenly got a lot of this. It's hard to see here. A light helps too, but I don't really feel like getting one right now.
Can't you guys just play legit for once?
Hang on.
Can you not play legit at all? Like,
alright, there we go.
Show me that you can play legit then.
There we go, pop off. Okay, now you're gonna turn it over right here.
People are always looking for mods.
Liar. Just kidding.
No, people are always looking for them.
Yeah.
Like, I joined a random game. Do any of you mod? Can you mod anything?
Alright. Now you're gonna need to slide through here. This is where the knife comes in handy because it's small enough. And just keep pulling so they don't click back into place.
It irritates me because people don't play legit all the time.
And then,
play legit for
alright.
Ready up, King.
Keep popping these. There's gonna be more to it, but I already have mine unscrewed, so there's a little more stuff there. Alright, so this part will come up for you. And here's the most annoying part about to come up that you'll see. Oh wait, when you do it, actually, because you're gonna turn it over. And this will pull it up. What are you doing? It's gonna pull up like that. And I turn it around. Now there's these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little holes here. You're gonna need to pop.
Maybe
You'll
I'll
hear a
switch
little
up
pop
this
on
one.
these two. But I'm not going to pop because these are already
That
like
has
kind of
mods
broken
in it,
in.
it's not
And I've
like-
done this many times. So you'll pop, and this will come loose. And the bottom will come off. Oh,
Yeah. Back out.
looks like it's coming off.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's-
so the
yeah,
bottom will
back
come
out.
off like this. Not that easily for you, probably if it's your first time. So then, yeah, where's one of the screws? Hang on a second. No, one go. This is where you're gonna need, where'd it go? Oh, here it is. This is where you're gonna need, where's the camera piece? Here's where you're gonna need this, like this hex thing. Because these flat-headed screws, like this, different. Now, here's how they're gonna be located on the Xbox. It's gonna look like this. Now, there'll be the regular Phillips screwdrivers, and you're looking for the ones that have like a lot more points to them. It looks a lot different. And you're gonna screw all those, but not the regular Phillips screws. Oh, what the heck? All right, here we go. So you're gonna get all those out. Flip your Xbox back over. Yeah, they weren't in the first place. Because we hot stopped earlier. Alright, so now it's like this, and this should just lift off. Oh, another thing. You need to take like the part where you press open the tray. They don't just gently.
Because this is my actual profile.
This should just lift off pretty easily. To that side. Now lift this up. Okay, now you can see the inside of the Xbox.